A is for apple. A apple. B is for book. B book. C is for cat. K cat. D is for duck. D duck. E is for elephant. E elephant. F is for fish. F fish. G is for grapes. G grapes. H is for hen. H hen. I is for ice cream. E ice cream. J is for jug. J jug. K is for kite. K kite. L is for lion. L lion. M is for monkey. M monkey. N is for nest. Nest. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pear. Pear. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rose. Rose. S is for ship. Ship. T is for tree. Tree. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watch. Watch. X is for x-ray. X-ray. Y is for yoyo. Yoyo. Z is for zebra. Zebra. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.